Hey guys, it's your boy KSI the GWT, and welcome to... Well, that was weird. This is essentially the series where we go into the weird side of YouTube and fuck to the fucking ground. So this is me, essentially just... Fam. Oh, so that's how you eat a baby. Moving on, homemade ringtone. This should be good. Hey, what's up, bro? Oh, hey. What is that?
Swagger with the rules like Jagger. Got this chick on the stagger as I roll with my dagger. Started popping that shit.
Oh, I just kidnapped a kid. Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah, I might try that one day.
Oh my god.
I don't even know if I can continue the video. Jesus, what am I just saying? I'm fucking disgusted. There's something weirdly soothing about this. And yeah, that's a video on the internet. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say for that. Oh fuck, I'm a chair. Screaming. Wait, what? What? How is that even possible? I will put you in a trash can while I fuck your mom.
Oh, Ivan's got on your toes. Oh my god.
Why is this nigga half naked? Is that your cover there? Nigga, go to sleep! Go to sleep, nigga! Thank you guys for watching.